Here's the thing. I'm going bald. See, this is getting bad. Look at how bad that receding hairline is. That's where I notice it the most. That is bad. It's thinning out a ton in the front, but the receding hairline is what's really killing me.
But the good news is there's a way to combat hair loss.
iRestore is a hair growth system that uses low-level laser therapy with their helmet. They have shampoos, supplements, vitamins. They have a whole kit, obviously, as you can see here before me, and I want to share that with you and unbox it so that you can see what it comes with. And I want to just bring you along on this journey. iRestore actually emailed me. They said, Tony, you are freakishly handsome and we want to help you with your hair loss. Their words, not mine. And so they sent me this kit for free to test out, but to be honest with you guys, I was a little hesitant and a little just apprehensive to begin with because I've always kind of been skeptical about hair loss solutions because I'm like, do they actually work? Do they not work? And so now I get to test it out. I get to bring you guys on this journey with me. You can obviously see that I have hair loss and I'm only like 27, so I'm hoping this can combat this hair loss now that I'm younger so that I don't be completely bald by like 30. That's my goal. If you're interested in this product, I'll put a link in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself. You're gonna see the video, the footage of my hair journey so that you can decide for yourself if this is a good product for you and if it works. So the first thing that this comes with is hair gummy vitamins. They are for hair, skin, nails. It contains biotin, antioxidants, vitamin C and E for thinning hair, which mine in the front part is thinning. And when I put product in my hair, it kind of makes it look thicker and you don't notice it as much. But when I get out of the shower, it's like, oh my goodness, like it's like I took off a mask or something. That's how different it looks. And so hopefully this helps with like this front of my hair right here, this part. Let's see what's in this. Comes with some shampoo. Smells actually really good. And conditioner. And these are also for anti-thinning. And before iRestore, I've never tried any other hair solutions before. I've never tried different shampoos or different oils or anything like that. So this is all brand new to me. It also comes with anti-hair loss serum, which I think is like an oil that you just put to like moisturize your scalp maybe. I'm gonna be learning this. I don't know. We haven't started treatment yet, but we're going to soon. It also comes with these tablets that help with hair loss, but I won't be taking these because my doctor recommended me not to for personal reasons and my own health issues and complications. It has nothing to do with the product, but I'm not gonna be taking these. So if it skews the results slightly, then you'll know why. It's because I didn't take these. User manual, quick start operation guide. So this is the helmet. It feels like it's plastic, but it looks pretty sleek. It looks like it's not gonna break apart on me. It has these soft rubber squishies on the inside. And then it also has my remote controller right here. Fun fact for you, this helmet has 282 lasers and LEDs inside of it. It is also the most powerful device on the market. It has a hands-free design, it's FDA cleared and clinically proven, and it's non-invasive and drug-free. They also have a 12-month money-back guarantee. That is a long time to actually test this device out to see if it's right for you. So I'm pretty pleased that they give you that much time to see if it actually works. It's not like 30 days, get your money back. They give you enough time to actually try the product and see how it works to be able to get your money back. So I think that's cool. It must mean something good about the product because if not, they would have to refund a lot of people. Oh yeah, baby. Dude, you better watch out. GQ might be calling me next. This is a pretty cool design too. I wanted to show you how it works. So you can use this straight into the wall. You can plug this right into your device so you don't have to charge your battery if you don't want to. You can plug it straight into here like this, or you can use this battery pack and it literally clips on like a magnet. That's pretty sweet, right? Each cycle is gonna be 25 minutes to wear this thing, and I guess I'm just supposed to sit here and wait the 25 minutes. It's nice that it has this portable charger so I can go do something or sit somewhere else, but this cord is also very long. This reminds me of my old phone at my house with the really long cord. If you've ever seen Napoleon Dynamite, they have the same phone in their house. That was the one I used to have in my house. So this is everything that comes with the kit. It's the helmet, it's the shampoo, the conditioner, the tablets, the serum, the vitamins, and then this is actually separate, the portable charger. But this portable portable charger is actually very handy. One full charge of this thing will last you 2 weeks of treatment, which is really nice. That way you don't have to stay connected to a wall. You can move around, do what you gotta do. Compared to other hair loss solutions out there, this kit looks pretty high-end and pretty professional. It comes with a lot of cool things, and I hope that it can work for me on my journey. I've seen a lot of success on their website from other people trying it and their reviews and testimonials, so I'm hoping that it works for me. It actually is very compatible with a lot of different people, either men or women, or different hair loss patterns, whether you're like losing hair here or here or here. And so it covers a wide spectrum of hair loss patterns that hopefully it can work for you. I really think a lot of people struggle with this insecurity of going bald, and I know I've definitely had some thoughts like, oh, what will my friends think? My friends are actually the best friends that you can have when having hair loss. They will tell you straight to your face that you're going bald and that you look terrible, which is just the best kind of friends you can have. They send me memes that are like hair loss memes that are super funny. Those are the kind of friends you need in your life right there. If you're interested in this product, be sure to click on the link below, because at the time of recording this video, they're actually running a sale at the moment. So be sure to check it out to hopefully get a discount on your purchase. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe so that you can watch my follow-up video when I share my results.